Hey, McKenna Fenney here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and welcome to our newest listing in Oshawa, 292 Vimy. We have so much to see today. Now let's get going through this property. This beautiful newly built home has so much to offer. With 9-foot ceilings, an open concept, a beautiful eat-in breakfast, a dining area, a living area. There's so much space here, and it's truly perfect for those entertainers. Let's keep going through this property because, like I said, I have so much to show you. Picture yourself in this beautiful kitchen, entertaining. It's the best when you have the ability to cook and entertain and feel like you're part of the group at the same time. Beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. What more can you ask for? Now let's get cooking. Welcome to the primary bedroom. With a 4-piece ensuite and walk-in closet, there is so much room for activities in here. Plus the large windows with all of that natural light.